Hey, welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how you can automate replies to comments for multiple posts. So yeah, of course, the first way is you create one automation flow for one post. So let's say I go here, I go to trigger, then I go to comment, and then I select a specific post. Let's say this post like this. Then I configure the trigger replies. I will add the keyword here. Let's say keyword will be price. I will add a reply that should go in the comment like check DM for link, and I can add more replies like that. Please check your DM. The more replies that you add, the better, right? So you configure it like this, and then I will simply add a message in front of this, and I will, let's say, do text with button. Here's the link with price. I will click on the button, visit website, and I will click on this link icon, and then I will add the website link here. So this is how you automate it for one post. And similarly, what you can do is you can go back here and create more flows for different posts. But if you are on, let's say, plans like AI Acquire, where you only get three, automation flows, here is what you can do. You click on this flow again, create another flow. And this time what we will do is we will select again the comment trigger, but this time we will select multiple posts. So if I click on select publication, let's say I will select these two posts. I want to send different links for both of them, right? I will select this. Then I will go to configure trigger and replies. Again, I will go to keywords. Of course, I always have the option to do it all comments so that it automates for all the comments. But yeah, the second option is the keywords. So let's say I have keyword one for post 1 and keyword 2 for post 2. Of course, these are examples and it can be anything like link, price, PP, etc. Right? Again, I will go in reply in comments, check link in DM. You can add that like we did earlier. Perfect. Now this time, what we're going to do is instead of adding the message block first, we will add a condition block, right? I will connect this with this. And then what we will do is we will create a condition. Here we want to select the post. So we will select, post 1 for condition 1 and post 2 for condition 2 and, send message accordingly. But you cannot see the post variable here. For that, first of all, you have to save the, flow itself. Now, if I click on condition block, click on select variable, I will see the post ID. But what is the post ID, right? So you go back to the starting trigger, you go to the publications that you have selected, and you will see the post ID right here below the name of the post. So let's say this is the post ID of post 1. I will copy this, I'll close this, and I will paste the post ID here. Then I will click on this duplicate icon to duplicate the condition, and I will add the second post ID here. So I'll go back, I will copy the ID again, go back to the condition and replace it here. So now I have this condition block. Let's say somebody comments on post 1, it goes to the condition block and the first condition will be executed. Somebody comments on post 2, the second condition will be executed. Now all we need to do is, like we did earlier, we can add messages like this for each post. So I can say, link for post 1, add button, link, and instead of adding it again, I can just duplicate it and I'll just change link for post 2 and I'll just add a different link here, right? So this is how you send comment replies for different posts using the same automation flow. And now let's say if you want to add the third post here, let's say you created a new post, you will just open this flow again, go to publications, add the third post, copy the ID, we go back to the condition block, duplicate it again, paste the new post ID, then we duplicate this message block and just connect it with the third one. So this is the easiest way to add a new post and automate the comments for that, and then you just enable it and save it. So yeah, I hope you got to learn something. If you have any doubts, you can always reach out to us for support. Take care.